In this week's court report, the man who had been locked up since he led area police on a high-speed chase of up to 60 miles an hour after allegedly kidnapping his ex-girlfriend, and who had several cases pending against him in both Justice Court and District Court, has now made a plea deal and got credit for time served. Johnny Lotkeys received credit for time served toward 2 cases in Justice Court, and the other cases against him were dismissed pursuant to the plea deal in District Court. Lotkeys pleaded guilty to 1 count of eluding a peace officer with endangerment. He was accused of kidnapping his ex back on March 29th, taking her car, cell phone, and other belongings, then leading authorities in hot pursuit a few days later. Lotkeys' subsequent police chase resulted in a single-vehicle rollover on Happy Lane between Charleston Park and Highway 372 after police had chased him throughout the west side of town. The 30-year-old suspect was the only occupant in the vehicle and had sustained multiple injuries. Prior to his last scheduled proceeding, Lotkeys remained in custody with sentencing for his District Court case set for October 3rd. A woman arrested for burglary, larceny, exploiting an older person, obtaining money under false pretenses, and possession of stolen property has now been appointed a public defender. Chelsea Schellenberg had her arraignment scheduled on June 3rd, at which time she was appointed legal representation to help her answer the charges against her. NCSO contends that the suspect's alleged victims contacted the Nye County Sheriff's Office in reference to a theft of 2 televisions, cash, and a floor jack. The alleged robbery victims say Schellenberg lured them to Las Vegas under false pretenses, and then when they returned home, they discovered the items were stolen. NCSO deputies subsequently found the items on the website Leads Online. Police say the items were pawned at Cash America Super Pawn by a man named Jacob Elrod, who is said to be associated with Schellenberg. Schellenberg is set to be in court next on September 8th for a pretrial hearing. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.